school. Government school. How government school can be taken over by the government?
No, my lord, initially that was a private school.
Please give the dates. You take seat, mister. 5/10/2009.
Yes, my lord.
Rejected.
Rejected, my lord. Thereafter, again, he come before this honorable court, my lord.
Where is the notification?
Lord, this is the fourth round of litigation. Lord is being found.
Who is responsible?
Lord, I am coming, Lord.
Don't say all the.
Petitioner is responsible. Petitioner is responsible. Lord, fourth round of litigation.
Not knock the door of this court unless he is aggrieved by any order or inaction or action of the.
Lord, may I humbly submit, my lord. First thing, my lord, kindly adjudicate, my lord.
Sir, let him argue the matter. It is his case.
My lord.
My lord, tomorrow I had got reply by then and there, district program officer, my lord. In that, my lord, they had come with a completely.
Sir, what is the matter before the single judge?
Matter before the single judge for the death come other benefits of the father of the petitioner, my lord, who had died in hardness, my lord. While
What was he working?
he was assistant teacher in initially appointed in as assistant teacher in primary school Simri block Agraja in the districts of East Champaran, my lord.
Died in 70. After 71, he has not worked. For remaining unauthorized.
This is the catch. Yes.
Appointed in
1962, my lord.
1962. The aided school?
My lord.
Aided school?
My lord. It's not. It's a primary school, Simri, Bhaktiyarpur, not Bhaktiyarpur, my lord.
Sir, is a private school?
No, my lord. It's a government school.
Government school. Government school. How government school can be taken over by the government?
No, my lord. Initially, that was a private school, and later.
That is the reason we are asking you. It is a private school during which period? You people don't read and come turning the pages here.
My lord.
You have a lot of work at home, so that you are unable to read the file.
Lord, kindly have a look to Annexure 11 of the.
All right, you can give the dates and events.
Yes, sir.
Please give the dates. You take seat, mister.
Lord,
He was appointed in the year 1962.
petitioner is said to have joined the school in the year 1962 to 1917, Lord.
1970.
1970, Lord. Lord, he was a private. He was primary school teacher in a private school, Lord. And in after 1970, Lord, he absconded from that school, Lord.
1970?
After 1970, Lord, he worked in the private school, Lord, till 1970, Lord. Thereafter, Lord, he did not join, Lord. He filed a writ petition before this High Court, Lord. The matter was adjudicated, Lord, and remanded to the authorities, Lord, to pass a recent order, Lord.
What is the date of CWJC order?
Lord, the first CWJC is 29/4/2009, Lord.
20?
9/4/2009. It was CWJC 5467 of 2009, Lord.
That is annexure.
That is annexure 9 to the writ petition, Lord.
Of this petitioner.
Yes, my Lord. That has been filed by the mother of the petitioner for grant of retirement benefit, my Lord. My one line submission would be, my Lord, if he.
Sir, we have to take down.
ये वाला कहाँ पे है? कहाँ पे है?
Yes, after disposal of writ petition, what happened?
Blood after disposal of writ petition, blood annexure 10 was issued, blood that was issued by the district superintendent of education, blood on 5/10/2009, blood,
5/10/2013.
rejecting his claim, blood.
9.
2009.
5/10/2009.
Yes, blood.
Rejected.
Rejected, blood. Thereafter again he come before this honorable court, blood. That is annexure 11, blood. That application was again remanded back, blood. Then the district program officer, blood, based on the order of this court, blood, that since the petitioner was a primary school teacher, blood, in a private school, blood.
Sir, all right, on 21/8/2013, what is the direction of this court? CWJ 7366.
To dispose his representation. That is an
Then thereafter what happened?
application, his representation was disposed of, Lord.
On what date?
And an opportunity was,
All right, sir, what is the
What was the
date?
date of disposal of the representative? That is
that is 35/2011.
35/2000.
14. 17, sorry, Lord.
This was subject matter of another writ petition.
Just a minute.
Yes, that is annexure 12.
Yes, my Lord, annexure 12, 35/2011.
Manager 12 is the rejection. Right?
Yes, that.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, another litigation that is impugned before your lordship, Lord. Third round of litigation, Lord, for grant of family pension, Lord.
Daughter has come.
Lord,
Daughter has come before this court.
yes, daughter has come before this court, Lord. And now this LPM, Lord, this is the fourth round, Lord. Now, in terms of Rule 58 of Bihar pension rules, Lord, whether he is entitled for pension or not, Lord, that has to be decided by your lordship, Lord.
now where is the taking over the private school by the government? Where is that notification?
Please.
Lord, government notification dated 31/12/1976, my Lord.
Where is that?
It was issued, my Lord, to take over the private primary schools, my Lord, with retrospective date, my Lord, that is with effect from 1/1/71, my Lord, and on that date, my Lord, he was not in service, my Lord.
Sir, we know. Where is the notification?
Right now, we don't have, Lord. My Lord,
Then what is the assistance is being given time and again, matter is urgent. We want to know how the service is required to be examined between 62 to 1970.
The date of, again, if the name of the petitioner is there, that is the only thing which is required to be.
my Lord, my Lord.
Date on which the,
Lord, true, my Lord, my Lord.
if the name of the petitioner is there, the name of the father of the petitioner is there in the list of the teachers, then he has a case, otherwise he has no.
Sir, state government.
Even though he has no case, my Lord, he left the school in 1970.
Sir, first of all, you apprise this code.
Yes.
What is the service condition of such of those employees who are working in the private school and it has been taken over? the assets and liabilities have been taken over by the government. What is the service condition of such of those employees?
नोटिफिकेशन है आपके पास?
That is not here.
That is not that we are going to impose exemplary cost. You people are playing with this code.
No. This is the fourth round of litigation, my lord.
All right, we'll record it.
He has no locus to come before this. He is a private individual, my lord. He is not in service since 1970.
Matter is being adjourned from time to time, despite the personal appearance.
Kindly have a look to the annexure 11, my lord.
Personal appearance of
Three learned benches of this honorable court has hold that, my lord. He has, my lord, even
personal appearance of director, primary education, government of BR Patna, namely Mr. Ravi Prakash, who has appeared pursuant to the order dated 2/2/2023 on 9/2/2013. Respondents were stated to have filed counter affidavit. The core issue involved in the present list is whether the teacher who has rendered service in the then primary school, within bracket private school, during the intervening period from 1960 to 1970, and the year 1976, state government has issued a notification
notification, my lord.
in the year 1976, while taking over the private school with a retrospective effect. In this backdrop, this teacher is entitled to any monetary benefits like pension and other monetary benefits like retired benefits or not. In this regard, it is necessary to peruse the taking over the private school by the state government along with the assets and liabilities. Such a notification has not been brought to our notice despite asking the official response. At the time of dictation, they found that such a notification, in other words, there is no preparation in the matter on behalf of the official respondents as well as the state in apprising material information from time to time. On the other hand, on State Council, Mr. So and so submitted that this is the fourth round litigation filed on behalf of the petitioner or petitioner/legal heads of the deceased teacher. When the state is not assisting this court, making such a statement that this is a fourth litigation on behalf of the petitioner or on behalf of the deceased teacher is not appreciable. We'll continue in the afternoon.